To hook up the Equipter, you're simply going to turn the emergency brake off, drive it forward over the hitch, pull the safety lock for the front wheel, and raise the front wheel, which will lower the trailer onto the hitch, and then you simply hook it up like you would any other trailer. Pull this. And you're ready to drive it away. It's important, if this is tight or locked, just wiggle the front wheel up or down a little bit to release the tension on the front wheel lock. It's important to have the emergency brake on before you raise the front wheel, because when you raise the front wheel, it releases the drivetrain in the back and the trailer will roll. So have the emergency brake on when you're lowering it onto the hitch and the front wheel comes up, and then you can release the emergency brake, hook it up as you would any other trailer, and you're ready to tow it.